Do your hands sometimes feel weak, stiff, and sometimes they're very difficult to grip hold of anything? Maybe you feel a little bit tired. Well, in today's video, we're going to do some really great fascia flossing for the hand and the wrist area. So what I like to do first is you can do this sitting or standing, and we want a really nice correct posture so we're getting maximum blood flow to and circulation to the body. So feet firmly on the ground and parallel, and then you want to make sure your back is nice and straight and also your hips are in alignment, and then coming all the way to your shoulders. I like to just roll the shoulders back a couple of times. This sets us in the right, literally the right direction for being nice and straight, and then also making sure that your ears are in the same line as your shoulder here, as if there's a piece of string coming all the way up to the ceiling. So once we're in correct alignment, now let's work on our hands and our fingers. So we're just going to take our fingers here and we're just gently going to come into a fish shape and come back out, and we're going to do this a few times, and we're not overstretching the fingers or the hands. We're just getting a nice rhythmic movement here, really hydrating the fascia. Now if the fascia gets tight, it gets more restrictive, and the fascia is a system within the whole of the body, so we're just really hydrating, moving the fingers. And you can do this every day. Do this in even sitting watching TV. It's a very easy one to do. And now we're going to incorporate a little bit of the wrist. So coming backwards, coming forward, coming backward. Again, we're not overstretching. We're going nice and slow, rhythmic movements. I'll show you this way so you can see. Really stretching out. And we'll keep doing this. Obviously, if you do have any arthritis, just be very, very careful, and you don't want it to be hurting at all. So again, this is a really great fascia flossing method. So now we're going to take our hands, place them out in front of us, and we're going to start with the gaps between the thumb and our fingers here, and then we're going to work through the fingers. So we're going to interconnect them, as you can see, and then we're just gently going to press. And keep pressing, and then you can go in a bit deeper as well with the press. And a bit deeper, relaxing the forearms as well. And then just gently release, and then we're going to work on the next two fingers in line. So coming along and just working these tightness of fascia within these points. Again, shoulders nice and relaxed, making sure that you're nice and straight. And you can also do some lovely deep belly breathing. I like to go in through the nose for 4 and out through the mouth for 6. Again, we're really helping with maximum blood flow and oxygen to the neck and the facial area, but also the body. So again, and then you can just go backwards and forwards, just slightly pulsating as well if you like, if that feels good. And then we're going to work on the next fingers, so coming along. And you should feel really lovely release once we've done these. And then just holding and placing. Please comment down below as well. Tell me how you find these lovely gentle exercises. And then between the little fingers here. And you can just hold, placing, and then just pulsing again. And then just gently release, taking the fingers, we can clench it slightly with the fists, and then open out, using our wrists, coming in, coming down, gently stretching out. Nice, slow and mindful. Again, this shouldn't be hurting, it should be nice and easy. Again, we're releasing any tight fascia. And one last time. And then just gently wiggle the fingers, releasing anything. And then let's just move from side to side with the fingers. We've gone backwards and forwards, so now we're working side to side. Just first of all, just with the wrists. And then again, we can just release and go into a fish shape. Again, we're not stretching, we're just doing a constant rhythmic movement, our fascia flossing, if you like, for our hands and fingers. Again, some lovely deep belly breathing, in through the nose, out through the mouth. And one last time. And then again, just finish off moving the fingers along, and then you can also work the wrists in a round circular motion one way and then the other. And there we are. See how the fingers feel. You may even feel a little bit of a tingle as we've got blood flow and circulation to the fingers and the hands as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And again, comment down below, tell me how you found this really great fascia, almost a fascia flossing for the fingers and the hands into the body. So I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.